What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play When I Lie by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I really will choke the happiness out of you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video because I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Now, this was a request from one of you guys. I'm sorry that I can't remember who exactly requested this song, but big ol' shout! You're starting off in standard tuning. There's no capo. I'm going to show you the little riff that they play in the beginning of the song, and then also the chords. The chords are actually very simple. If you want to play the power chords like they are in the song, it's just 4, 6, 6, and then 0, 2, 2, and those just alternate between each other. Now you can strum these as full chords. It'll be barred on the 4th fret, so it'll be 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. And then E major, which is 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Down, 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 up, 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 down. So that's how you'd play through the chords if you just want to strum through the entire song. Like I said, power chords there, the little intro riff. I will have a tab for this in the description below if you need it, but it's pretty simple. It's just 6 on your D string, and then you're picking it 3 times. Then you're going to 4 back to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to 4 to 4 on the G string. For 2 times on the 4th fret on the G string, then 7 on the G string, back to 6 on the G string, back to 4 3 times on the on 6, 4 back to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that sounds confusing. I'm trying to explain it as easy as possible. Like I said, the tab is in the description. Jump down there if you need it. I'm going to play each note individually so you can really see it. It looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.